Hi, this is Chris from needlepointers.com. Today I'd like to share with you this string quilt that I finished recently. I'm outside in my backyard to try to show off the colors of this quilt. This quilt was made with a string piece block. We have a tutorial on how to make this block, string piece block, on our website needlepointers.com. So follow the link in the iCard or in the description below to find a page with more pictures of this quilt and also with a link to how to do the string piece blocks. A little about this quilt: I made all of the top blocks from scraps that I have from in my scrap bin. So the whole entire top, nothing but scraps. Even the white, it was pieces of scraps that I had saved from other quilts and other projects. So as I went along, I even added more and more different scraps from projects that I was making and continued to make blocks. The way I put the blocks together for the string piecing is I did them each by color. So you'll see that there are purple blocks and blue blocks and orange and red blocks and pink, all in here. In the center of each block I used a white or cream colored strip that is about 1 to 1.5 inch wide, and I started the blocks with that strip and worked out from there. I then randomly put the blocks together into the quilt to assemble it into the final quilt. This quilt fits about a double-sized bed, or it has a nice drape for a kid's bed or a twin bed. After assembling the quilt, I then layered it with the backing, which I did purchase the backing, and then I quilted it using my embroidery machine. As you can see, there's daisy flowers all over the quilt as an all-over design. The daisy pattern was machine embroidered in columns, so the pattern book I have is a special book where it explains how to do this technique of doing continuous quilting using your embroidery machine. You basically split the quilt into columns, starting in the middle and hooping from the top to the bottom each section and embroidering a section of the daisy pattern. And then you unhoop it and you hoop the next one and the next one, going all the way down the column. And then you move to the next column over and the next column and just work your way across until you've machine quilted the whole top. It did take a long while to do it this way, but it's a great way to get a more complicated pattern if you're not good at doing free motion quilting. I'll have information on the web page also about this, where to buy the book and the instructions for doing this type of machine quilting using your embroidery machine. I hope you enjoyed seeing this project, and visit our website to learn more about it and how to make string piece blocks. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter. And always go to our website, needlepointers.com, for more quilting projects and tutorials.